We're going to draw a ball sitting on a table with a strong light on it to look at some shading ideas and techniques. This will apply to a lot of different shapes. We're going to draw the ball. Maybe we'll even throw in a cone and a cylinder later. But for now, let's just draw a circle as best we can. I'm no Leonardo in that area, but you just have to get the idea across, right? So there's our little circle. And then we'll draw a table behind it. That's our table. We're basically, I'm using a Crayola crayon because I broke my pencil and I don't have a sharpener. But anything works, you can grab something out of the fireplace and do this. So, we're going to draw, let's say we'll have a pretty strong light, coming from this direction right here. So you have a highlight that's going to happen right here, which is the brightest spot on the ball. Right now, this is just a simple line with a circle. There's no substance to it, no 3D. So we're going to fake it real fast. Obviously, if light's coming from here, then this side of the ball, just like our good planet Earth, will be in shadow, and it will be on the other side of the light. There's some logic there. Already it looks pretty 3D, but it's not enough. It's not enough to create the illusion. It still looks like just a drawing. So what we also need here is a shadow being cast. So we'll just draw, mirror the shape, but it's stretched out, so it's more of an oval. And shadows are pretty dark, especially when there's bright light and it's very close to the object that's casting it. So, but they also tend to diminish as they get farther and farther away from the object. So there's actually substance to a shadow too, not just solid black. And that helps create the illusion by actually feathering that out a little bit. Now, it still doesn't quite work. One of the things that's missing from this ball is sort of a sense of reflected light. And what I mean by that is in between the highlight and this dark area, which is actually reflected light bouncing off this table. If you see anything there at all, it's because light is bouncing off of this. And so what I'm going to do here is add what's called a shadow core. It's a darker band of shadow that is between the highlight and the reflected light. So you can see here with this softball, you have the highlight here, and when you bring the reflected light up, you can see a very definite shadow core happening right about there. And that will actually create a sense of three-dimension more than just the plain shading alone. So you can see that this actually becomes a little bit lighter now in relation to this darkness. Another technique, another trick to do is to darken the background, which we just do this real fast. Give it because a line around anything doesn't make it look very real, because there are very few things in this planet that have lines around them. Hey, we'll leave the light in, why not? And just give that a little dark background. Help pop this ball forward quite a bit. And yes, we'll get rid of that light. Who needs a light? And add a little texture to the table. Darken this in a little bit, and you have your ball sitting on a table.